Hey, hey. How are you? It's been so long since we've seen each other. Hey, what's up? It's Kelly back with another video. And today I am going to be doing a haul. I just literally went downstairs and there was this huge bag of stuff from this. I think I ordered it from AliExpress. I really don't remember. So we're gonna find out. Let's get into it, girl. I'm so excited. What have you been up to? So I'll just start by taking this freaking thing out at the top because I'm like, what is this? Oh, it's bent, but these are my wallflowers. Basically, these are my wallflowers. It's like wall stickers and you're supposed to like peel them off, but I didn't know that the background was going to be white. So I'm hoping that, you know, just it's like on paper and that like the background of the flower is like translucent. Excuse my nails. I would like leave and paint them, but then the polish is just going to get on everything. Ooh, I have another one in here. Oh, this bag is big. Okay, I'm so excited. There's another one in here. Let's see what the heck this one is. I literally, sometimes I just like shop. I'll just go on an AliExpress spree at like 3 o'clock in the morning or like 12 in the afternoon, you know, because it's so cheap. And by the time it gets here, it's like, oh, it's a little gift. Oh, this is a little picture from my wall. Grow through what you grow through. I thought this was really cute. I don't know how I'm going to stick it on. I might need to put in like a frame or something. I usually just like tape posters to my wall. So, but this is a different type of fabric. It's kind of like a cottony. So I might have to put this in something. Thanks, AliExpress. You shouldn't have. You really should have. Thanks. You did as you should. This bag is so thick, like I just barely like looked inside a little bit and I was like, woo. So let's just take this next thing from the top. It's like some little, this is what I mean, like what did I buy? These are dog toys. I was like, what did I buy? Oh, Justin's gonna like this. It's not very squishy, but it has a little thing and it feels like it'd be really nice to chew if I was a dog. Yeah, I might just keep one for myself. So Justin's toys. These are so cute. I love the colors. Perfect colors. This is just what I ordered. It looks doper than the picture. Oh, there's a box. I'm like, let me pull this out. Whatever it is, why? What happened? This is a vehicle mount for my phone to go in the window like so I don't get a ticket. I got a white one because my car is white and black and I thought it'd be really hot. Let me put it together now and just take it and put it in my car. Let's see, is it difficult to install? Ooh, okay, flexi. You know, I'm also a handyman, so just give me a second. But this ball just doesn't seem like it's gonna finna break this. That's what I was trying to do, but like this. So, but then when I go like this, so then I'm gonna have to turn it the other way. Ooh, child, things is getting easier. The mind of a master. Something like this. I don't know. You know what? I've never had one like this in my car, so I'm over it. It's set up now. That's all I know. Next. Oh, it's another box. What is this? Oh, I got a desktop cleaner. It's like a little vacuum. I'm so excited for this. I hope it comes with batteries because... So I got 2 AA batteries. Whoopity scoop. Whoopity whoopity. Our little vacuum thingy is ready to use. It has these little scrubbers at the bottom. I'm going to insert the little cone. The moment of truth. It sections. I have so much dirt and grime like right in here. Let's just... Let's try it without the tip. I guess it's suctioning it. It's suctioning it. This is just like really specifically, this is just like really specifically for your laptop. But it's super cute for your desktop. Oh, it's another. What is this? I'm gonna unravel this one. What is this? Oh, this is so dope. Okay. I just poked myself in the eye. Today, absolutely looking. Hello. You're looking absolutely stunning today. And these are like stickers, and on the little thingy they had them like in the bathroom, so I'm putting this on my mirror. I thought the text was gonna be in white though, so I'm a bit like, but you know, it's still cute. What is this? What is this? This is cute. What is this? Oh, it's a bag. It's a purse. This is cute. I think this is cute. This is hot. And it's pretty big. There's no pockets. So there's still so much. Why would I do this to myself? Okay, these, this is the one that's in the white text. And this says, "You look good." So I might put this one in my room. Ooh, clothing. Oh, it says Shein. I'm like, oh, this is from Shein. This is a Shein haul. What is this? Are these pants? Oh, it's a skirt. This skirt is long hair. I'm really short and kind of slender, so my biggest problem with my clothing is always my waist. This is a size small. Honestly, I'm really an extra small, but I can like pin this. I could pin this with a safety pin on the side or something, and it'd be just fine. Or even like if I just had a cool shirt, you know, and the skirt was just chilling. I love it. I'm so glad I could fit it. Another article of clothing. Oh, maybe. Oh, this is a little pencil bag. I thought it was so cute. What does this say? Okay, Park Shop. I think it's adorable. Oh, it does not stink. Pretty spacious. I could put my makeup in here too. This might become my new like travel makeup bag. I just thought it was really cute. Little box. What is this? Bruh, okay. So I bought this frame hoping that I could fit this picture in it. Nah. So I'm like, now I'm just stuck with this really cute, super small golden picture frame. Oh, and it really doesn't even go on the wall. Like, what are you going to do? I have these little thingies I could stick it on the wall with. I think it's cute, though. So detailed. Oh, it's a little shirt for Justin. I think I got him like 3 shirts. I can't lie. He's a toy poodle, so I got him a size small. And this is it. This is so cute. He's going to look so cute in this. And it's the perfect material for the weather. It's like polyester rayon type material. A phone case. Woo! This, yeah. This is so hot to me. Oh my gosh. And I wonder how it would look if I took this little, there's a little thingy inside. But my phone is blue, so I wonder how it would look through the case if I took that off. But yeah, this is so hot. Why are these cases like, I guess it's because they're jelly or something, but they do not want to come out. And we have another jelly case in pink. Ooh, this is so hot. I try not to like, I always put stickers on my phone cases, but these are the kind of cases that I don't put stickers on because they're just so dope by themselves. Another shirt for the baby. Let me see him. I think this is a really cute shirt. Ooh, what is this? Is such a nice birthday. Thank you, Kelly. Oh, it's a two-piece. Ooh, girl. I hope it fits. Honestly, one thing that I will say is that the material does feel kind of cheap or thin, but it's so cute that it really doesn't even matter, like, period. Another dog shirt. This is starting to... This one is cute. This is a little feather. What is this? Oh, the fact that like now, I mean, we're getting into spring, so this is like low-key when you need it, but I could have used it in the winter too. I hope this doesn't count as an umbrella. Basically, it's like a little water hat and it's a little duck. You just poke that up like that, and that's a little visor for your face. And then I think these go under your arms like a little backpack. It's for babies, but what an investment. It is hard. I'm still gonna need a cap on because of humidity, but now I don't have to carry an umbrella. And I think this is spacious enough. It'll cover your bags. Let me see. Is it getting it? It's getting it. Hey. Period. Don't want to get the straps musty. But how do you close it? That's my biggest question. Like, oh, I don't want to break her. I'm going to just nail this to the wall and hang it up until I need it. I'm just guessing because, like, what do you do? What are these little round things? I'm like, what did I buy these for? Oh, these are sticky thingies for my rug that I got from AliExpress because it slides everywhere. So I'm going to stick these to my floor and stick them on the back of the rug. Not going to open them because there's like, I'll do it. My room is a bit filthy, but we're just going to pretend for the sake of this rug. And now I'm just taking maybe about two. I'm thinking like I can really just put one like on both corners and then that's just it. That's what I'm thinking. Because I don't know if this is going to work and I'm not trying to mess up my floors. So we're going to take the baby. I'm just going to do like, you remember the rug. I'm just going to do, I'm thinking this corner up here like this. And then I'll just do this corner down here. So now we're just gonna peel this baddie off. Yeah, trick. And your friend, yeah, too. Ain't no time for a chit chat. I'm trying to get this money. So get up out. This is what we have. Wait, did I? Oh, okay. See, and the great part about doing only the corners is that you can, but then the other problem is that your corners can lift. But this, she's straight. Don't even trip my girl good. When I tell you, I am looking so forward to wearing that little yellow outfit with that little duck hat. I promise. I'm gonna have a different background next time, because my head. Oh! I got a melon scooper, and it's supposed to like cut the melon as well. I really only eat watermelon, but I never had a melon ball scooper, so I just bought it because it was pink. And this little sharp side, I can just like, you know, carve out the melon. But I want gonna scoop anything. I almost scooped my pasta. Ugh. Scoop anything but pasta. There's literally, my nightstand is covered in items from Shein and I don't know where to put everything. Why did I do this to myself? This looks really cute. I think this is the shirt to match my skirt. This is gonna be hot. I'm not trying it on. I'll post it on Instagram when I do. I'm sorry, I just put my clothes back on twice. I didn't know the titties was out like this. Hopefully I can tie this together so I can still wear a bra, because I got titties. I think it's gonna be so hot, honestly. I'm actually excited now. Why do I have a dress that looks exactly like this that I got from Fashion Nova? I wore it to my grandma's funeral and my little cousin showed up in the same dress. This skirt is so cute, honestly. This is giving me very much tennis vibes, but it's like a polyester material. It just really looks kind of like a velvet, which is hot. I'm not trying on any more clothes. I'm sorry. I didn't know I got this many outfits. And this is the little top that goes with it. This should be hot. Like oh, is this a halter? Is this how this goes? Let me see. And then it goes like this. Oh, that's cute. I like this better than the other titty shirt. This is gonna be hot. Ooh, hot girl summer coming up. On to the next one. We're to Selena Gomez. I thought I got a bathing suit, but maybe that was through AliExpress. What is this? Oh. Literally the amount of times I say that to things I buy myself. This is a windshield wiper for your car or just your home. And basically, I assume I'm just going to slide this little thing through there. Like so. Why is everything so difficult that Dang, this is literally, I'm never going to be able to take this out. Like, that's how difficult it is to get in. Ugh, but that's okay as long as it doesn't break on me. Ow! Dang. Okay, let's just... Great. So you just... Let's see what... Oh. Now I'm sad. That was so fun. Thank you so much for going on this journey with me. That was crazy. Please be sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you get a notification every time I post a new video. And have a great day. Check out Shein. Look at all the great stuff I got. People always say like AliExpress, Shein, and Wish, you know, they like don't like to shop there because it comes from like far and they think the quality is bad and it's gonna take forever. But this, like, you know, literally I forgot about it and was like pleasantly surprised. So I think those sites are really good for that, and they have some really cute cheap stuff. So